Okay, so have you seen this video right here? Now this is about the hashtag garlic challenge 2025. And in this video, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I even confused myself, and I've had a lot of people reach out for me to clarify this challenge. So I just talked to Big Will Dog, who was the one who challenged me to the challenge, and then we opened it up to everybody to verify a few things. I'm gonna make one change, and we are going to completely clarify this challenge so everybody knows exactly what the challenge is, when it's due, or when the deadline is. So sit back, relax, and let's clarify my confusion. Okay, so here's my garlic, and I've apparently had a cat who has decided to jump from the other side of that fence into my garlic. To say I'm not happy about that would be a big understatement, but it is what it is. Let's talk about the challenge. Okay, so 7 months ago, we announced the hashtag garlic challenge 2025. And if you are watching this video right now and you actually have garlic planted, you're in the challenge. You can be a part of this challenge and you can enter the challenge. Now, let's talk about the deadline. Originally, we were gonna do August 1st, but because of our friends up north asking for some extra time, we are extending this challenge until August 15th. That is when you need to have your videos submitted with somewhere in the title, hashtag garlic challenge 2025. That is how I'll be able to find all the entries, go through them, and see who the winner is. So again, you have to have the hashtag garlic challenge 2025 in the title of your video, whether that's a clip or the long form video. Let's talk about what the clip needs to show. You need to show yourself harvesting your garlic, pulling it out of the ground and harvesting it. That just keeps everything as honest as can possibly be. I will be doing the exact same thing. Now, let's talk about some terminology here, which is where I think I confused a lot of people and even myself. We are going to have two challenges within this challenge. It will be the weight of the heaviest bulb. Now, I'm putting up on the screen right here, what is a bulb and what is a clove? We are not focused on any cloves, strictly the bulbs, which again, we're showing right here. It is the entire part of the garlic, not the individual wedges that you take out. The wedges are the cloves. We are talking about the entire bulb, the whole garlic bulb. Which part of the bulb are we going to weigh? This is where you are going to have to decide whether or not you are willing to not cure some of your garlic. We are talking about fresh, straight out of the ground, weighed garlic. You are going to cut the roots off and you are going to cut the stalk off just above the top of the bulbs. No stalk, just the bulb of garlic. If there are any questions, please drop them in the comments. But I don't know how I can make this any more clear. No roots and no stalk on the clove. I'm sorry, see, I'm doing it again. On the bulb that you weigh. So the two challenges are going to be the first challenge will be the heaviest single bulb of garlic. The second challenge will be the heaviest 5 bulbs of garlic. So I think I've clarified that really well. Take off all of the stalk and take off all of the roots. So if you are growing garlic to cure, this might not be the challenge for you, because to cure it, you have to have the stalk on it. Cutting the stalk does wrap in the, by use date, the shelf life, let me just put it that way, the shelf life of your garlic bulb. So maybe if you enter the challenge, then that bulb that you use, or those 5 bulbs that you use, you can give them away to friends and family. You can use them. You can store the individual cloves to then replant for the following garlic season. things of that nature. But again, I'm going to beat this horse to death because I want to make sure everybody is crystal clear. No stock. And here's what I mean by stock. Literally none of this. And I'm not going to harvest any of these because they're not ready yet. I still have another month. But we are going to cut every bit of that stalk off of the bulb itself and all of the roots. Okay, now, what kind of garlic can we enter into this challenge? All garlic except for anything that is considered an elephant garlic. Those are not allowed in this challenge. And the reason for that is really simple, y'all. If we're doing a garlic challenge for weight, and say 98% of everyone grows normal garlics that you would use in, most foods, then the 3% that grows elephant garlic are going to win, because elephant garlics are much larger. Now, I have 4 of them planted right over here. They will not be entered into this contest at all, into this challenge at all. I have 2 other types. I think I have a Transylvania pink and a chef's something over here. I honestly don't remember what I planted, but I have 4 elephant garlics that are actually off to the side, specified on where they are, and by looking at them, you know which ones are elephant garlics. Those things are massive. So no elephant garlics, but everything else is free game. In the video, okay, let's jump to the video and how you submit. Again, you will put in the title of the video, hashtag garlic challenge 2025, exactly how I'm putting it on the screen right here. What the video needs to show is that you're harvesting the garlic, and then you don't have to show cutting off the roots or the stalk or anything, but you need to show the weighing of it. Now, obviously, if you're showing that you're only weighing 1 bulb, I know which challenge you're submitting for. If you're weighing 5 bulbs, if you're weighing 5 bulbs, then I know which challenge. Seriously? Then I know which challenge you're entering. So you don't have to be so right down and specific about which challenge you're entering, but the scale needs to be very clear and very easy for me to see exactly what the weight is. And then what I'm going to do is, for all the entries from now, if you needed to harvest your garlic now, harvest it now and submit it. It doesn't matter. Everything doesn't need to be submitted on August 15th, y'all. That will overwhelm me, and I'm going to be totally honest, I will probably miss somebody. So when you harvest your garlic, like I will be harvesting all of this in 3 weeks. The middle of June is when I will be harvesting all of this. And I will submit my challenge garlics, my challenge weights, sometime in the middle of next month. So again, you don't have to, when you harvest, film it, post it, and you will be entered. And me and Big Will Dog will both start going through and pulling out all the weights and names and everything and going from there. I would also like for everyone that when you submit your garlic to say what type of garlic it is. And that's just so everyone can see, hey, look at all these different types of garlics. You know what I mean? Like, it's not just go to the store and get a clove of garlic. There are so many different types of garlic that I think it'll be really fun to see all the different types and, hey, see which kind, which type, which variety wins. So I think I've clarified everything. Trust me, when I rewatched that video today, I was like, dude, no wonder everyone is confused, because you confused yourself, you moron. So I can make fun of myself, I'll hold myself accountable, and we go from there. So yeah, hope everyone is completely clear on the challenge. Again, if you have garlic planted right now, and this is the first time you've seen this video, you can enter the challenge. Follow all the steps that I just laid out and join in on just a fun way of gardening, challenging each other here across YouTube, and having some bragging rights. Now, This isn't the first challenge that this channel has done. Last year, me and another channel, Next Level Gardening, we started a tomato challenge, hashtag tomato challenge 2024. The winner of that was the Croc Gardener out of Southern Illinois. So this year, you might be the first winner of the hashtag garlic challenge 2025. If you have garlic planted, by all means, please join the challenge. You have nothing to lose, y'all. All right, everyone, if y'all enjoyed this video, if you got anything out of it, if I clarified everything to your liking, and you are not subscribed to this channel, and I earned your subscription today, please do me the 3 favors. Share, like, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, and join this fast-growing community of like-minded gardeners here on YouTube. And also go over and check out Big Will Dog 82 in the Soils channel. I'm putting his channel page up right here. His link is down below. Go over and support that channel also. Everyone take care. May God bless each and every one of you. Continue to shine bright, harvest hard. Join the garlic challenge and let's have some fun. And I will talk to y'all again real soon. Bye.